About the movie, 1920 London, third installment of a very successful franchise, 1920. 1920, the era in which the film is set being the common factor, otherwise all the stories are very independent of each other. And this one happens to be set in London, so 1920 London. It's a supernatural horror thriller, of course, but built upon a very intense, complex love story and effectively very complex characters to play out.
काला जादू है ये।
I was surprised that Vikram offered me a film in the genre, because generally producers go with go with the actors who've been accepted in a particular genre because it just suits them and it's not risky and it's just convenient that that actor already has an appreciation in a particular genre. But the fact that Vikram believes in himself and he has a conviction in what he's doing, and he offered me this part, and I'm very grateful to him for that. Doing different roles, it does not seem like risk taking at all for me. ये किरदार एक एक्सोसिस्ट है, तांत्रिक है, जो लोग भूत प्रेत से परेशान रहते हैं उनको जाकर के वो मदद करता है उनको टू गेट रिड ऑफ देम, आई मीन टू गेट रिड ऑफ द भूत और प्रेत. वेरी चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर बिकॉज दिस कैरेक्टर हैज अ रियल ग्राफ दैट गोज फ्रॉम वन एंड ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम टू द अदर.
बेटा इन वीरसा की उम्र चुरा रही है.
पिक्चर बेसिकली एक ह्यूमन ड्रामा है, ह्यूमन इमोशंस, लव स्टोरी है. So it's more about the equations between the characters, and so it's a lot of the supernatural thriller aspect of it is the job has been entrusted to the witch. I just have to look grim and serious and deal with the witch. That's all in those parts of the film.
तुम्हें लगातार मंत्रों का उच्चारण करके उस आत्मा को यही बांधे रखना है.
जब आप एक फ्रेंचाइज करने जा रहे हो तो एक लॉयल ऑडियंस आपको यू आर गेटिंग इट ऑन अ प्लेट. इसका एडेड एडवांटेज है कि एक फ्रेंचाइज है, एक लॉयल फैन फॉलोइंग है, ऑडियंसेस have already seen films in this particular space and are looking for more. The songs in this film especially work beautifully with the narrative, and it's very progressive in its nature and the way the song plays out. It goes along with the storytelling.